Statement of account is where you'll view your previous or current invoices, payments, and credits. You'll see here that I have a zero balance, and in the 2018 list of transactions, it confirms the total subscription fees, credits, and payments that have been applied. If you need to review the past year's invoices that are still available online, simply click on that previous year button. Do note, we only provide up to 18 months of history online. If you need anything older than that, you will need to submit an official request to billing. As we scroll down, you'll see there are two posted transactions. One of them is a payment and one of them is an invoice. Currently, you only see the amount. To view the details of an invoice or payment, click on the link for the transaction ID. This will display the details broken out for the invoice. You can download it as a PDF to save for future use, or you can close the window. Back up at the top, we'll click on My Subscription to return, and next review the Pay My Balances window. This specific case, we already are aware that there was a zero balance, and it will tell you that there are no outstanding balances due for this subscription. Paying your balance is done by returning to the My Subscription tab and clicking on Pay My Balance. AutoPay will only trigger a payment to process if AutoPay is on when the invoice posts. So at this point, to process a payment, I'm going to click Continue. In this case, I'm going to use the existing payment method we just added, and I'm going to click to use the payment method. This will confirm for me a thank you for your payment screen and return me back to the Pay My Balances receipt view. Here, I can either continue or I can choose to print the receipt. Close out the receipt when you're done. Click Continue to return to your My Subscription tab. Back on the My Subscription tab, we'll go into My Payment Methods. You'll see that I have a Visa already added, and that is marked to use for AutoPay. I can edit this at any time by clicking the edit icon, and then I will be prompted to update the expiration date or address, for example. You'll notice down here at the bottom, I can also choose to not use this as an AutoPay payment method. If I wanted to add a new payment method, I would simply click on Add New Payment Method, add the details for the payment, and if I choose to switch this to be the new AutoPay, check the box and click Submit. We now have two payment methods added. Let's return to My Subscription.